You listen to me, it's the world off to you. People wanna steal my own message. It's in my life story. The 23rd of September 2024, the acting time. I know everything. I believe the God will protect me from my enemies. I see now I know that everything. The God protect me from my enemies. I'm wake up for the morning. I'm trying to prepare to go to work. I see the weather be change, become the black. I don't know it is going. I'm trying to take my bicycle to go to work. I saw the darkness. I don't know anything. The things going. I don't make my life the lazy. The rain is starting to come. I'll protect myself to go to work and find the things. The many people today make the races. I wanna tell the truth for you. I see the truth for everybody. The lazy become the poor mind. The lazy people become the poor. You know what I do. I'm trying to go to work to finish my everything. I come back to home. The people don't know anything for me. I know I don't make my life to be lazy. Every day, every 5 in the morning, I'm trying to do the things of my own. By my people to see the wrong about me. I know everything. I don't care anything you say. The people don't know I'm fighting for my life. I'm fighting for my life. I'm fighting for my life. I'm fighting for the everything.